All right, day two of jury selection in the trial of Sean Diddy Combs. Who made the cut and why is Diddy's longtime lawyer and my lawyer, Mark Geragos, being held to a different standard than all these other satellite attorneys that are in the mix? Let's talk to trial attorney Misty Marris. What I think is interesting, Misty, from your note, thank you very much for schooling me on the process, but it is clear that each side has a set of concerns that they want to run past these prospective jurors. What are they?
So, Chris, it's clear that the concern isn't have you heard of the case, even have you seen that Cassie tape. It's whether or not an opinion has been formulated about the case and about what they saw in that tape. So let's talk about some of the jurors that actually are still in the jury pool. First, the prosecution wanted to eliminate a juror who said that he had negative experiences with police officers. Now, the defense said, no, he should remain in the jury pool. He still remains, but let's see what happens when you get to your preemptory strikes. In the defense, there was a juror who said that he saw the tape, but that Diddy looked angry and entitled. Now, that really feeds right into the prosecution's narrative. So the defense wanted to get rid of that juror. Judge said no, still in the pool. But these are the issues that we know both the prosecution and defense are looking at when they go in and they start doing the gamesmanship of the preemptory strikes and really getting down to that 12-person, 6-alternate jury.
I am completely not objective when it comes to Geragos. He's a mentor to me in the business, but also he's been protecting my family. But here's what I don't get about it. So the allegation is you're talking to the defense and you're talking about the case on the podcast. You shouldn't be able to do that. But look at who's sitting behind the prosecution table. You have all of these big-name lawyers and some that some won't know who are representing different people. And you don't think they're talking to the prosecution? Seems like a double standard.
Yeah, so this rule 23.1, a local Southern District, New York rule, which says that you can't make extrajudicial statements, and it extends to the defense. And Chris, you're not the only one. Mark Geragos isn't the only one that takes issue with this. Really, many people say it's overreach. It serves to actually gag the defense from speaking about the evidence in the public sphere. So a lot of people take issue. As far as Mark is concerned, he's not the attorney of record. I'm not aware of a rule that extends this to friends and family. And also, just because he represented Diddy in the past doesn't mean that he's involved in the defense as of now. But I saw the report. It said that he went into chambers, Mark Geragos, with the judge, came out with a smile on his face. So it doesn't seem like any admonishment took place. But I guess we'll see what's on the docket.
Well, and it's, look, he doesn't fake the funk. If he didn't like what happened in the room, you'd see it on his face.
Absolutely.
But I thought that was unfair, but I'm biased. Misty Marris, thank you very much. I appreciate you.
Thanks,
We'll
Chris.
be right back.